Hi everyone, this is Praveen Dore from Dice University. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. And in today's video, we are going to talk about how to make $100 per day using Clickbank on Airpush. It's going to be really interesting. So let's get started. But before that, please help us by hitting the subscribe button as well as the like button if you like this video, definitely, and the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos and so that you can keep watching great videos from us, guys. So please support us. So are you ready for today's video? Let's go.
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Welcome to today's video on how to make $100 per day using Clickbank on Airpush. So let's begin, guys. So the first step that we should do in order for this process to go very well is to get away into Clickbank and start choosing our offer within Clickbank. So what you have to do is you have to sign up with Clickbank. It takes you less than 60 seconds to sign up into Clickbank, and then you have to log in into Clickbank. Let me just log in into my Clickbank account, which is a dormant account I made specifically to do all these videos and everything. So once you are here, the next place that you have to go is to the marketplace. Once you are in the marketplace, you can see various sub niches over here, and this is how you go ahead and choose your offer. So there's actually three methods on how to choose your offer. The first method would be for you to go to Google, and then for you to go ahead and search for example, let's say best niche to promote, best offers Clickbank 2020, and then you search for best niches to promote in 2020, best niches to promote post-pandemic, pre-pandemic, and all this kind of stuff. You make your own research, and then you come up with the top converting niche or the top converting offer, and then you use that niche, for example, and then you go ahead and choose an offer from that particular niche. So that's one type of way that you can actually do it. Another type of way that you can do it is ignore Google completely and try to use your own instinct. A lot of people has talked bad about this method, but I think it works very well as well. For example, let's say you like spiritual, you're a very spiritual person, you can actually click on the spiritual niche, and then you can actually see the sub niche as well, or you can just click on the main niche and you can see the offers available there. There's like 170 offers available there. Then you can actually go ahead and choose an offer from your particular interest itself. So this is one of the ways that you can actually do it. And another way that you can actually do it is not relying on Google, not relying on your interest, but relying on Clickbank themselves. So what you can do is go and find your products generally. Click on this button, and then you can actually see all the 3,703 products would be listed here. So what you can actually do is you can actually sort this by gravity or popularity, but I will go for gravity. Usually gravity simply means that how many people have actually bought this product in the last 30 days. So I will not choose a product which has gravity lower than 30. You can see this product has 761.76, so you can actually see all this, and regardless whether you choose method 1 or method 2, you have to sort it by gravity or at least popularity. So what I will usually see is that, let's say for example, the main thing that I will usually see with the offers that I want to choose is, first I will see the gravity. I want the gravity to be at least 30%, and then what I will see next is I will see the average sales. I will a little bit overlook on this, but you can actually see the average sales because you will be running ads and everything, right? So this is totally subjective. It totally depends on you how much you think this average sale is suitable for you. So if you think the average sale is good for you, $40 is good enough for you, then you can actually go for it. It does not matters a lot. Another thing that I will see is, let's go ahead and choose an offer first, and then I'll see you how to choose this. So let's go for I think most of these offers we have done this is something that we have not done yet. So what I will do is, first I will go and check out the offer page as well as the affiliate page. What's the purpose of me doing so? So first I'll go to the offer page and I will check whether the offer page is satisfying or not. So this is actually a very typical type of Clickbank offer page. There's a video, you watch the video, and then they will be led to the call to action button and all this kind of stuff. So this is a very, very common type of offer page that you will see in Clickbank. So this kind of offers actually converts very well with Clickbank. But what I would highly suggest you to do, if you're finding for an offer page, try to find something that has a call to action button, like for example buy now or call now or enter something. At least they have call to action button, it works much more better. But this looks like a pretty neat kind of offer. Like I told you, it's normal typical type of Clickbank offer. So the next thing that I will check out is I'll check out the affiliate page. This is much more important for me compared to the, what is this, that's it, that's the affiliate page. That's sad, that's really sad. So this is very much important for me compared to the offer page, because with the affiliate page you can actually get all the resources that you need to create your ads later on, guys. So that's why affiliate page is very important. Like this is actually a very plain affiliate page. I don't see any resources here, well, at all. Maybe the resources is some different. No, it's the same thing, there's no resources here. I will not promote any offers like this at all, especially if there's no affiliate page. So this looks pretty good. Piano roll for all. Let's check out the affiliate page and the offer page. I'll show you. I hope. Yes, this is the one that I'm talking about. Look at the offer page. There's actually an order today button, and this order today button is what we called as a call to action button, and this is what we need. So let's see the affiliate program. Wonderful. This is great. They do have banners. They do have get start. They do have promotional videos, articles, and all this kind of stuff, guys. Testimonies. This is great. This is really great. So I think this is good enough for me. So I'm going to use this particular offer in this particular offer page. So this is the one, right? Piano for all. Gravity is good. Everything is good. Okay, once everything is good, you have sorted your particular offer, all you gotta do is hit the promote button and a pop-up will come out where you had to click the generate hop link. So if you hit the generate hop link, your affiliate link will appear, and that's how you get your affiliate link. So basically step one is complete. Let's go to step two. But before that, let me just tell you that there is actually a 45 days free native ads course given by the Dice University Forum for the Dice University Forum users for free, guys. You can still go ahead and opt in into this particular 45 days course if you join the Dice University Forum. It's like an exclusive gift we are giving towards our forum members. Dice University Forum itself is a very beautiful place. There's a lot of stuff with Dice University Forum, a lot of input, a lot of content, a lot of people coming, a lot of affiliates coming from all around the world, try to share their knowledge and try to share their stuff in Dice University Forum. So definitely go ahead and grab your seats today. So the first step is done, choosing offer. Second steps would be to create your landing page. For that particular purpose, we are going to use Landerize. Landerize is a brand new software which was created by Colin Dice himself, specially catered for affiliate marketers. And you can see they do have a drag and drop template. You can actually create the landing page within minutes. I personally have used them before. I'm going to tell you more when we go inside Landerize themselves. So one thing that I want to tell you is that the highlight about Landerize is that you can straight away upload your landing page to the Amazon S3. Landerize is designed that way because Colin knows that loading speed of a landing page will definitely increase your CTR and therefore will increase your conversion rate as well. He knows that very well because he's a super affiliate himself, and that's the reason that he made this specially catered for affiliate marketers in such way. So For Landrise, they do have a 14 days free trial. If you want to opt in for the 14 days free trial, you can click the link below in the description of this video. There's a link and you can actually grab your 14 days free trial today. So once you have seen all that, you can actually sign up and log in into Landrise. So once you log in into Landrise, this is how Landrise will look like. You will be in this page, my landing page, as you can see. So the first thing that I would recommend you to do is go to getting started. Once you are in getting started, you can actually watch this tutorial. Basically, they teach you on the basic features of Landrise, how to use set up the Amazon S3, how to connect the Amazon S3 with Landrise, how to connect to the Landrise support team, how to schedule a onboarding call, and all this kind of stuff. If you are not a video person, you can see the same informations over here to the support section. Over here you can see the same information written in text. So they are very customer orientated. Personally, I know them, so they are very customer oriented. You can see everything is step by step. The most valuable thing about this particular support, let it be the videos or the article, is this particular articles, how to set up your AWS. They teach you step by step, guys. Generate free SSL certificate, generate S3 bucket, and all this kind of stuff step by step. And I don't know whether you guys did this before. They also teach you on how to connect your AWS to Landrise. I don't know whether you have actually did your own landing page with AWS before or not. I personally have done. You can actually go ahead and Google. You can't find the way to do it. You can't find a proper guide, and this is like a step-by-step guide, guys. This alone, you can actually sell these articles alone and make a lot of money out of it. Trust me, it really valuable, guys. So yeah, basically if you're still stuck on, or even though after you've seen the videos and articles you're still stuck, you can actually go to this button over here, schedule an onboarding call with the Landrise support team. Is sometimes these uh, live chats, guys, so you can chat with them as well. So and you can also issue a ticket to them as well, stating your problem. So these are the stuffs that you can actually do. And like I told you just now itself, Landrise offers a 14 days trial today. Grab it right now, guys, by clicking the link in the description of this video. So let's get started, shall we? So the first thing that we can do is go ahead to create a new landing page, and then we choose a template from the available template. Currently there is 16 templates. Just now there was only 13 templates, and they have actually added another 3 template. How nice for them to do this. This is great. So they have actually added a new 3 templates, and you can actually see over here Landrise is adding at least 4 brand new high converting templates every week. So they have different templates for different particular category. For your gambler, casino, quiz landing, adults offers here, Nutra here, gaming, this is for sweepstakes and all these guys. So we're going to choose one of these templates. Like they told, they are adding brand new template all the time. Previously, just 2 hours back, they only had 13, now they have 16. Okay, so these are the new 3 templates that they have actually added. So let's go ahead and create a particular landing page. So let's see the new templates, whether how it looks or not. Let me just check it out. Let's just say piano, for example. I'm going to check this out. Is it very long? Oh, this is like a native ads campaign, so it's quite long. I don't want this type. So but you can actually use it for a native ads campaign. There's no problem in doing that. I want a short one, guys. I want a short one. I prefer it to be short. So I think I'll go with this. Oh, maybe I will go with this. This is actually a question answer question, right? So let's check out this one over here. Okay, this is actually a question type of landing page. So they have how many questions? 3, 4. There's 4 questions. I think this is good. This is something that we can actually use. So let's start building a landing page. Okay, so like I told you, if you see the tutorial, you would actually know how to build it. It's very simple to do it. You can click on this purple button over here, and you can drag this and drop this anywhere. You can click on the brown button over here, and you can copy the whole thing, and then you can click on the red button, dustbin button, and just remove the whole thing, and you can click on the pencil and start editing the whole thing. So it's actually pretty easy to use. So let's not waste any time and start building, shall we? Go to the affiliate program page, and let's see if they have any type of articles that we can use. So they do have articles that we can just see over here. Oh, this is for support. Sorry, my bad. So piano related articles. Okay, we can actually do this. Um, is there any shorter ones? Is there any shorter ones? Never mind. We can actually manage with this, which is better. Okay, okay. Keyboard should you choose? So let's just do this one. Copy this. Then here we're gonna edit this. We're gonna change this. Piano practice can be fun too. And then we're gonna go back to the affiliate page. We're gonna copy the first title, then we're gonna copy the last title. That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna copy the first one, and then we're gonna copy the last one. So okay, wait. Okay. Okay. All right. Make sure you read before you copy, guys. You can copy it, but don't no worries. But then make sure you read it so that you know what exactly you're copying. Okay. I think this is good enough. So let's change the image over here. This image that we want to change. So we're gonna go back to the affiliate part. We're gonna choose a banner that we're gonna change. This is good. I like this one. Maybe a little bit bigger. Oops. This is a little bit bigger. This looks nice as well. So let's go ahead and start uploading this image. Select image. Gonna upload it. It's pretty easy to use, guys. Really easy. Really nice. That's nice already. So let's go and start changing the question. So there's 4 questions that we want. So let's start it. Let's start doing it. So the first question would be, do you know anyone who worked for a engineering company? So you're gonna change it. Do you know anyone? Do you know? Do you or anyone you know plays piano? That's the first question. Yes? No? Not sure. Save it. Second question, let's say the answer. Where do you live? Okay, this is a question that you can ask if you are targeting a specific geo, but we are not targeting a specific geo. We are trying to do everything global. So we're going to change the question a little bit. We're going to change it. How often do you play piano or see artists playing piano? Very often, randomly, random, so wrong word, rarely, casually, rarely, not sure. So that's the second question. Looks pretty neat as well. So the third question would be, Okay, there's a question for the third one. So the third question would be, how do you currently play piano? How do you currently how do you currently mhm, how do you currently play piano? How no no no. Let's say, how did you learn? How did you how did you learn how to play piano? Personal teacher via internet or YouTube. Learned on my own. Don't really remember. Ah, nice. That's nice. So the last question would be the fourth question is, how experienced are you with do it yourself? Okay, how experienced are you with piano? How experienced are you with piano? I never performed any, what we call it, orchestra. I never performed before. I have some experience. I have a lot of experience. I wish not to talk about it. Pretty neat. Save it. That's it, guys. Four questions done. Article is there. Piano can be practiced. Piano for all. Everything looks good. So the last one would be this section over here. So we're gonna change this copyright into 2017 is okay, but until 2020, that's what we want. And like I always tell you guys, a lot of people ask me this question: is this particular stuff important? It's not that important. If you ask, I'm sorry, I won't say that it's not important. I would say that it's not essential, but then it's very crucial for you to protect yourself. So what you can actually do is you can actually have a website, and then in that website you do a small page. No need to publish that page, no need to show that page, just do a small page. And then what you do is you actually put a content page, and then you link, you write your whole contact terms, you write your whole privacy terms, your terms and condition, all that. You put it in your website, copy the link and paste it here, and then you paste it here, and then you hit save, and that's it. You have a very nice privacy policy, terms and condition. So yeah, so basically it's for saving your own, for your own safety, so that you don't get sued and all this kind of stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna not use any of this because we don't have this currently, so we're gonna delete this. So we're gonna delete the whole line. And this site is not part of Facebook. This is also usually, it's like telling the audience that this is actually an advertisement and all this kind of stuff. So this is also for your safety actually. So we are not going to use this as well, because we are not going to put it on Facebook, but we are going to use a different traffic source. So we're going to delete this as well. So basically I think that's it, and everything looks pretty neat with our website. So sorry, our landing page. And yep, basically that's it, guys. So all you got to do now is the final steps, which is putting the link. So you're gonna go to the gearbox over here, and then you're gonna name the page title. So it's going to be piano for all. So we're gonna just change it a bit, piano for all. And then here is where we're gonna put our offer URL. So the offer URL that we took just now, we're gonna paste it here, and we have successfully completed our landing page. So what you can actually do now is go to my landing page over here, and then hit publish. and choose the domain that you need to publish it from. Like I told you previously, if you follow the landerize step by step, you should know that you can actually how to set up a domain and all this kind of stuff. So choose a domain properly and hit the publish button, and once you hit the publish button, ta-da, successfully your campaign has been successfully exported to Amazon S3. You can actually see it over here, and to double check it, which is really good, you go to your S3 account, go to your particular bucket and check out if it's already there or not. Where it's ours? I don't think ours is there. So just now it wasn't there, so I just refreshed it and now it's there already. Sorry guys, my bad. So it does take a little bit time. So it's there, everything is good. So you have successfully completed building your landing page, guys. So that's how easy it is. So if you want to use Landerize, so make sure you claim the 14 days trial which is offered by Landerize by clicking the link in the description of this video. And before we proceed to the third step, let me just also tell you that there is a free 45 days native ad scam course offered by the Dice University Forum for exclusive for the Dice University Forum users, guys. So make sure you grab this opportunity. I'm emphasizing it again. Make sure you grab this opportunity, join the course. This course alone is going to cost a lot if you actually take it at somewhere else, but we are actually giving it free of charge for our valued Dice University Forum user. You can still grab it by joining the Dice University Forum. I've also attached the link in the description of this video, so grab your seats now. So second step's done, and third step would be creating the tracker. So you gotta go to an external tracking device software, and then you create your tracking over here. So we are using volume. So the first thing that we need to do is create a traffic source and affiliate network. So uh, we go to the affiliate network, and then we press new affiliate network and create a affiliate network. And as you can see, Clickbank has already been created. I've been using Clickbank for quite some time, so it's very easy, guys. Just click new affiliate network, and then just click Clickbank, for example, click next and click save. That's it, nothing else, guys. So it's very easy, very straightforward. Same goes to traffic source. You just go ahead, choose new traffic source, and then you choose the traffic source available. They usually they do have all the traffic source templates over here, like for example Airpush, the one that we're using. So press next, and then that's it, guys. Hit save. Simple as that. You have successfully created your affiliate network as well as your traffic source. Now you have to follow the flow just like what we did. First we went to Clickbank, we choose our offer, then we went to Landrise, create our landing page, and then finally we'll be going to Airpush to create our campaign, right? So follow the same flow with volume. First go to offer and start creating your offer. So we go offer plus new offer, workspace public, affiliate network, choose Clickbank. Okay, country, if you're targeting a specific country, then you put a specific country here, but we're not targeting any specific country, so name it piano for all, push Praveen, push Praveen, tags. Offer URL is the one that we're going to take our affiliate URL that we took from Clickbank. We're going to paste it here, but not only that, keep in mind that this is a very important step, guys. So if you don't do this step, you can actually see nothing is activated. The parameters is not activated here. So if you don't do this step, nothing will happen. They will not track you. So what you have to do is you have to press and then you see this one over here, the bold one. You have to copy this very important, copy this and paste it. And when you see I pasted, you can actually see this automatically this parameters has been activated, and that's what we need to do. And by activating this parameter, you don't need to set anything, you don't need to set payout or anything. The volume will automatically track whatever which is happening in this offer page. This is a offer page specially designed for you, right? So whatever happening in this offer page would be tracked by volume by itself. So basically that's it. Hit the save button and you have completed doing the offer. Now let's go ahead and do the landing page. So go to lander, press new lander, and then public, global, tag global. So you're gonna do piano for all, push, Praveen. Okay, we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna go landing URL, lander URL. So what we're gonna do with lander URL is we're gonna go back to our Amazon S3, and then we are going to copy. We go to Amazon S3. We're gonna copy our bucket name. So we're gonna copy this, and then we're gonna paste it here. So before that, make sure you put HTTPS. Make sure it's HTTPS, not HTTP. You can see it's not HTTP, it's HTTPS, because we are using SSL certificate. If you actually set up the Amazon S3 according to the landerized step by step, you should already have your free SSL certificate. So once done that, copy paste this, make sure there's no stroke anywhere. So cancel the strokes.com slash, then you go back to your S3, you choose the folder where you are. So piano for all, this is our folder, right? So we're gonna copy piano for all, and then we're gonna paste it here. Make sure there's no strokes as well. And finally, what we're gonna do, oops, just gonna do, and then finally we're gonna stroke again. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna paste this one, because our landing page is currently uploaded in HTML format over here. So this is what we are going to paste at. So we're gonna do index.html. So we're gonna do index.html. That's it, guys. Index.html. Okay, that's it. And then you press save. Simply done with your lander as well. So the final step is to create a campaign. You can create a campaign here, or you can just hit create campaign, hit advance, and then start building our campaigns. Our workspace is private, our traffic source is Airpush, right? Airpush global, so it's going to be Airpush piano for all, Praveen. Okay. Hit next button. In the destination section, the one that you need to change is this tree. Default redirect mode, change it into double meta fresh. Path destination, change it into landers and offers. Redirect mode, change it into double meta fresh as well. So these are the only three boxes that you will tick. Other than that, you will just name your path and then select a lander and the offer. So we're gonna name our path. Our path is going to be Clickbank, Airpush, piano for all, Praveen. Okay, we're gonna select our lander, hit this one. We've already created our lander, so our lander should be somewhere around here. Oops, piano for all, Airpush. This is our lander, and then our offer should be somewhere around here as well. Piano for all, Airpush, and hit the save button. That's it, guys. You have successfully created a whole campaign. Keep this one open, guys, because we are going to go to our next step and our final step, which is creating the whole campaign. So once we create a whole campaign, we're going to paste some URL, which is this URL over there. So keep this one open and let's go to the next step. But before that, like I told you before, you have seen me doing Landerize, so you can actually claim your 14 days trial for Landerize. I've actually attached the link in the description of this video, and you can also claim your free 45 days native ads course for exclusive for Dice University Forum members, guys. It's like a gift that we are giving them. So you can also grab this free course if you join the Dice University Forum. You can join the Dice University Forum by clicking the link in the description below as well. So grab your seats right now. So the final step is for us to go to the Airpush. So this is Airpush. Airpush is a very branded native advertising platform. Coca-Cola, Toyota, Groupon. They are very specific in their targeting. I'm going to show you guys later. So you got to sign up with Airpush and log in into Airpush. So once you log in into Airpush, this is how Airpush dashboard will look like. So we're going to start creating a new campaign. So let's start creating a new campaign. First, what are you promoting website? And then we're gonna add our link. So we're gonna take our click URL, this one, we're gonna copy this URL, and then we're gonna paste it here, and then we're gonna validate. It's good, it's good. So campaign goal should be traffic. Make sure it's traffic, and then campaign name is piano for all. Run campaign continuously. We can actually set a specific schedule, specific days, specific weekends, whatsoever, guys. So make sure you do that. So we can choose what type of ads you want to run. We want to run native. So our ad name is going to be piano for all. Native ads, text and banners. So we're gonna go and find some nice icons. So I think this one we can't resize it over here, so we need to use Canva. I'm not so sure yet, but let's just go and see a nice icon. So for the icon, I think I'm just going to use this one. We're gonna find a nice piano picture, and then we're gonna use it as our icon. This one looks pretty neat, right? So yeah, we're gonna use this as our icon. And for the big picture, then we're gonna use this one. We're gonna go back to the affiliate page and see if there's, yeah, we can actually use things like this. I want a bigger one, guys. Bigger one, bigger one. So what is the size actually? 400 times 250. I think I got this size over here. 400 times 250. This is good, this is good. Most probably. Okay, so you're gonna save this. So these are the pictures that we're gonna use. So let's go ahead and start dragging and dropping. So first one would be one. Yep, less size set. So we need a smaller picture. Perhaps this one. Let's just a smaller size. Okay. Perhaps this is so ugly. Maybe I just take something from here. Maybe I take this one over here. This is the smallest one. This one is the smallest one, right? So we're gonna take this one over here, and then we're gonna paste it there. Browser. Let's see whether it works or not. They don't allow for. It's actually JPEG, right? So I don't know whether they don't allow for JPEG. That's sad. That's sad. So we need to Google for nice images. So piano for all. Let's just go ahead and Google some. Piano for all. Okay, we're gonna copy this. This is the same one, right? But maybe we can use this. I don't know. So let's just check out. They are very specific, guys, because they do for big brand. Okay, we can use this. So we automatically resize and cut the image. So the big pictures we're gonna use. Hopefully I can really use this one. I can't use it, so we're gonna find from Google. So they're being very specific on this, guys. Headache for me. So let's try this one. It's going to be GIF. It's always been a GIF. I don't want a GIF because I can't upload a GIF. Perhaps I can do something. I can actually go Canva and I can actually transform this GIF into a normal image. Yep, I can do that actually. 400 times 250. So you're gonna go Canva, create design, 400. Sorry, 400 times 250. So you're gonna create design. Gonna go upload. Sorry guys, I actually choose a different image over here that I wanted to use. So this is the image that I want to use. So I'm gonna save it. So we're gonna save it. I'm gonna use this image. Hopefully now it's no issues in using this image. Yeah, looks pretty neat. There's no issues in using this image. So finally we can move to the title. So title is going to be piano. No. Title is going to be something interesting. So we're going to use piano related article. So we're going to use which is better, piano or keyboard. No, sad. We can't use that. So we can use this one, the same one as our landing page. Piano can be fun. Description would be learn how to play piano, not the boring way, but the fun. That's it guys. So all you gotta do is hit save ad, and this ad is saved. That's so you can go ahead and add more ads. I think they can add up to 10 ads if I'm not mistaken. So once you've done that, now we're going to do targeting. So they are very specific in the targeting. You can actually see they are very specific in the targeting. If we are actually targeting all location, but if you're targeting a specific location, you can actually search a very specific state. Within Malaysia, you can actually search very specific state. So they're very specific, and that's why big brands actually use them. And for device, we only want smartphones, internet access okay, carriers okay, and then finally we're going to configure our bid and budget. So it's going to be CPC or CPM, either cost per click or cost per impression, depends on you. We're going to use CPC, and then we're going to put bid amount, and then daily budget we're going to change it to $100. And then that's it guys, hit save and launch and see what happens. And we have successfully created a native advertising guys. And if you are constantly developing this, constantly promoting native advertising properly, you're not only be able to make $100 per day, but you will be able to make even more than that per day. The key is consistency and patience. Make sure you have both of these as well. So so that's exactly how you go ahead and create $100 per day using Clickbank on Airpush guys. So before I go, I want to say three things. First thing is that Landerize 14 days trial is available currently. Click on the link in the description of this video stating Landerize. Go ahead, click on that, get their 14 days trial guys. Don't miss this opportunity, and also don't miss the opportunity of getting a free 45 days native ad course created by the Dice University Forum by Colin Dice himself for the Dice University Forum members. It's a gift that we are giving to them, but you can also obtain this gift if you join the Dice University Forum. So make sure you join the Dice University Forum today by clicking the link in the description below as well. So finally, before we part, please support us by hitting the subscribe button and the like button if you like this video, as well as the bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and so that we can keep creating good content for you as well. So I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.